Snowman stood tall, a jolly smile on his face. Suddenly, he sneezed a mighty achoo. Snowflakes burst into the air. Bunny hopped through the flurry, giggling with delight. She made snow angels, her laughter echoing. Snowman chuckled, his eyes twinkling. He sneezed again. This time, confetti exploded. Colorful bits rained down around them. Bunny cheered, "Best sneeze ever!" Air Snowman and Bunny danced in the confetti. Their hearts filled with joy and laughter. Even silly moments bring happiness to all.